So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay, Pediatric Dentist and Professor in College of Dental Sciences. So aspirant, hope you have seen the title of the video, that books not to refer during NEET MDS preparation and BDS preparation. So already I have made one beautiful 4 videos that books you have to refer for your first year BDS, second year, third year, final year BDS, and as well as during your NEET MDS preparation. If somebody have not watched, you can click on the link given I button above as well as in the description box. So now aspirant, why this video? How I got the idea of making this video? So just last week I have visited 2 colleges regarding the MDS preparation examination. So they invited me to interact with the student, how to deal after BDS and what about the mentality of students. So I have been there. So I asked the dean of the college that, sir, allow me to visit your library. So just I visited library in both the colleges and I want to see what students are doing. I have seen that they were reading, some 20-25 students were there in almost both the library. What I was surprised to see is that among those 20-25 students, none of them are referring good standard books recommended by DCI and recommended by the staff. They all were referring some substandard book, some small short book, or that quick series book for the examination. I was a little surprised. That's I thought I will interact with the students that don't play with your life. So why aspirant? We are telling again and again to read the standard books. There is a reason behind reading the standard book. Okay, I'm not at all against those the substandard books or the books written by anybody, because every author have different view. If at all today I'm writing a book on pediatric dentistry or orthodontics, my views will be different. What's the difference between the standard and substandard book? In standard books, the grading of knowledge is very high. You can say around 99%. Because those author used to prepare the books from the standard PubMed articles, which are latest and which have been prepared through systematic review and meta-analysis. Wherever in the local or substandard books, what happened aspirant, they used to copy from the standard books, they used to write few review articles which are not that much authenticated. So when the student read the substandard book, they think that they know everything. But when they go for the examination like NEET MDS, even they think that yes, the correct answer for this concept will be this, but they go wrong. Because whenever we prepare paper for the NEET MDS or government exam or the INICT or any damn examination, we prepare questions from those standard book only, which is recommended by your Dental Council of India. Like for example, if I want to prepare a book or question of pharmacology, definitely I will go for the KDT party, because the thing given in that is authenticated, followed by all the people around India and in the world. That's why aspirant, the standard book is essential for the success of your examination. Nowadays to do MDS is not big thing. Give the NEET examination, qualify, you are going to get the seat. But the quality of the MDS is important. If you are doing from any colleges which are not that much standard, will be the modified BDS. You might have heard from your seniors, they do their MDS and they are telling, yaar MDS karke to kuch fayda nahi hua. But it is because they are not done from the good college. Your aim should be in the top 1000 of NEET MDS. Your aim should be in those top 50 colleges. So when you come out as a MDS, you will definitely shine out. And mind well aspirant, this is a very good big myth that standard books are difficult to complete. You cannot complete standard books in a year, where you have the 8 subject exams in final year, or 4 subjects or 3 subjects in your first, second, third year. It is complete myth. For example, if you want to see some movie, I will tell you just a short story of the movie and I will make you watch the movie after interval. What will happen aspirant? Definitely, you are going to understand the story of movie, but you cannot explain to anybody the complete story because you have watched from the interval. The knowledge you got is half cooked. But if I tell you or make you watch the movie from the beginning till the end, you will understand the complete story of the movie. You'll understand that what is the story, what is behind that, and you can tell to n number of people that yes, in the movie the story was this. So same thing happened in the standard book. When you read the standard book, you are going to get the in-depth knowledge of your subject. Okay, and they look little voluminous, but they are not. You are going to remember them, for your practice. When you go for the private practice also, you are going to remember the concept from the standard books. So aspirant, please, I just not requesting all of you, I am just telling a map what you want to be in your life. You want to be the dentist who tell that yes, dentist is good field, or you want to be in that category, the rat race, where just they used to go on practice and practice. So that's why I always refer you to go for the standard books. Already I prepared a good video on that. The link is there in description box. Please have a look on that. Okay aspirant, till then any help you want, you can let me know. We have the courses for the NEET MDS, INSCT, Govt dental examination, test series, lecture series. You can join us. Till then aspirant, take care, work hard, and any doubt you can contact me.